So welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Jasmine McDonald. If you're new here, I post ballet fitness related videos every single Tuesday, Thursday, and Sunday. Also new here, hello, you may as well hit subscribe. Today's video, I thought I would start a little bit differently than my usual videos. I show a montage of my coffee making, my bed making. I thought I'd be a little bit more in your face and hang out with you guys right away off the bat. I got up around 7:30 this morning because Stephen had to go to work. I'm having coffee right now. I'm gonna have some water and then probably have a juice. And it's lovely out. It feels like spring in Canada, which is a rarity. I know it's still technically, yesterday was the first day of spring actually. But I looked at the forecast and I knew not to get my hopes up because I knew in my little mind that it would snow again. And it's supposed to snow on Wednesday and Thursday. So while it's beautiful out, I'm going to use every opportunity to go for a walk. Definitely gonna go for a walk after my coffee, water, and maybe a juice. Then when I come back, I thought I'd also show you guys what I eat in a day as a ballerina slash dance teacher. So I'm probably going to have oatmeal again, like usual. Wow, so different, so amazing. No, it's like I have oatmeal all the time. And then I have a couple meetings with work. And then after that, I'm going to do a conditioning class and then I teach all night. So I thought it would be really fun to show you guys my weird schedule because quite honestly, most people that work 9 to 5s work 9 to 5s and my schedule, I work 4 to 9. Try to relax as much as I can, get some outdoors time, some sunshine, some vitamin D, some sun rays, antioxidants, and caffeine, to be frank. I also want to show you guys some products I've been loving. So today's vlog is going to be super chill. I eat in a day as a ballerina, what I do as a ballerina, and products I've been loving. So sit back, relax, and have a coffee.
Guys, how pretty is this lighting though?
Okay guys, quite clearly I'm still in my pajamas. I have not gone for a walk. I have not gone for a walk because I figured, I have to stop saying that word because my dog's like, figured I would wait until the post office is open because hopefully my packages arrived today. So yeah, I'm going to have breakfast first. I just finished doing some emails. I ended up actually not washing my face or doing my skincare. Not doing anything productive after I answered emails. I just scrolled on TikTok for half an hour, but that's okay. That's okay. We don't have to be productive all the time, but I'm going to make some oatmeal. Yesterday, I meal prepped a little bit, so I'm going to have some of that said meal prep. I'm going to sprinkle some granola that I made yesterday with some yogurt on top of, and instead of making oatmeal like I always do, I think I'm going to have this granola and then, well, should I make oatmeal? It's filling. No, you know what? I'm going to have this granola yogurt with fruit on top. I made this granola yesterday that has rolled oats, maple syrup, a lot of cinnamon, some sea salt, some dark chocolate flakes, some cranberries, dried raisins, or raisins I guess because they're already dry, just dried grapes, some nuts, cashews, almonds, some seeds, which were pumpkin seeds and sunflower seeds, and that's pretty much it. Oh, and maple syrup I already mentioned, and a little bit of oil so it doesn't stick to the pan. I'm going to pair it off with this silk yogurt. Then I have a meeting. Okay, I have a work meeting and I cannot show up to work in my pajamas. I'm going to put on sports bra top and a sweater or a nice fancy shirt on top, but I'm still gonna wear my pants. So this is the top from Kaz Designs. I'm just gonna put on my sweater on top because it's a pretty chill work meeting anyways, but I thought I would share. I have a video on my YouTube channel trying on all these Kaz Designs, so I'll put it in the description box as well as up here. It's so cute. It's one of those ones too that like ties around in different areas and has a matching set as well, but like I said, I'm a little bit lazy today. All right, guys, so I had my meeting. The internet decided to kick out during the meeting, so it took me like an hour to connect. It's fun, but I'm gonna do some skincare now and then take Elsa on a walk. Now, I wanted to show you some things I've really been liking in my skincare routine. Today's video, I want to talk a lot more. I'm trying to get more comfortable in front of the camera, just so I can create a better relationship with you guys. Now, first thing I've really been loving my skincare is the Cetaphil Gentle Foaming Cleanser, and it's honestly the best cleanser in my opinion for my skin. As you can see, I have very dry skin, breakout, and this one I feel like just cleans it the best. Now at night, Biosense Squalene Cleanser. It's an oil-based cleanser which takes off skin. Oh my gosh, takes off my makeup. Best between this and the Pharmacy Cleansing Balm. These are my two favorite to interchange between. And after that, I'm going to do this blue Tansy face mask that's actually a little bit tingling. I don't know if it's just because I can feel it like getting deep into my like dry spots and everything, but I'm going to use this after and then go over this lactic acid treatment from Good Genes Sunday Riley, which I really, really like as well. Then after that, I'm going to use some retinol because I'm aging quick. And then after that, I'm probably going on a walk today. I am going to use this Marcel SPF cream. Last time on my vlog, I used Cetaphil cream, and I'm going to use this one because I am going on a walk. So I need some SPF. Now, another thing I've recently been using on my hair is this Amica conditioner, and it smells so good. I love using it, and I also have been using Olaplex number 3 once a week. You rinse your hair, and then you put this in. Leave it in for, I think, 20 minutes? 10 minutes, sorry. Use it for 10 minutes. You rinse it out, and then you go over with your shampoo, which I'm just using a Pantene one for now because I'm out of my Olaplex one, and then I use this on top for conditioner. And it leaves my hair feeling super silky smooth.
Hello, miss. And hello, you. I also wanted to show off our gym so far. Steven did such an amazing job getting all these out, cleaning it up down here. It looks incredibly different than it usually does. If you guys remember, this bike was in the corner. The treadmill wasn't here. That's actually from my parents' house. They gave us their old treadmill. Steven laid all the mats down. This was just full of clutter. And now I feel like doing workout videos in here would be so nice. Maybe painting the wall, putting up some plants or a mirror, I don't know, maybe painting the brick white. And also this workbench, courtesy from my stepdad. It doesn't do it justice without the light on it, but it is really gorgeous. He sanded everything down. He made this workbench. So comment down below if you think this is beautiful, because I know it is, and Dan worked really hard on it. This is our home gym so far. Even got the little, the weights set up, the roller. I should put down my Fitbee stuff too here. It's getting really nice here. Thought I would show it off. Even space to do like a handstand. There's so much space to even dance here. I think I'm gonna do my flex space conditioning class in here. I have noticed since starting these flex space classes, I have never felt stronger and more mobile and stable in any of my joints, especially my hips. That's the most notable one. So today's class with Shauna was a middle splits class, and those are my absolute favorites. So definitely go check them out. I'll put their link in my description box down below. Like I mentioned before, I started working with flex space in December, and they have been nothing but supportive and amazing and super, super sweet. And I'm not just talking about my boss. Like, I'm smiling because I'm having so much fun. The community is overwhelmingly so sweet, and that's the kind of vibe we want in 2022. Now, Elsa was barking. I mean, how rude. At literally nothing. Like, nobody was outside. There was no delivery. I kind of got excited. I had to go run and check in case somebody was trying to go into the house. I had to apologize profusely because I just kind of ran and dipped. So yesterday, part of the meal prep was this pasta with vegan meatballs, the tofu. I forget the spice of it, but it's really spicy. Some salad with this balsamic vinaigrette Farm Boy dressing, and some hummus on the side for lunch. While having lunch, I was watching Bad Vegan on Netflix, the new docuseries. Has anyone else watched it? Comment down below because it is such a crazy story. Now, after having lunch, I had another coffee before I had to head out and drive to work, and then I obviously didn't film at work, but once I got home, I had some leftovers, which were really delicious. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. Sorry it's kind of short, but I wanted to show you guys what I realistically eat in a day as a dance trainer, dance teacher, and a professional ballerina. So let me know in the comments down below if you liked any of these, and if you want those recipes, I will definitely comment them in the link of comments for sure. Thanks again for watching. Have a great rest of your day. Stay safe, and bye now.